Let's see how to change the black background of folders in Windows 11. Now go to Disk Cleanup. Then select C drive. You need to clean the thumbnail. Now you just need to select the thumbnail. Then OK. Then delete. Background has now been removed from a folder.